You think eating small snacks all day is good for your body, but what if I tell you it is actually stopping your body from burning fat? You eat again and again, and your body never gets a break. And slowly, your body forgets how to use fat as fuel.
Today, constant snacking has become normal. Chips, biscuits, sugary drinks, small bites. Every few hours you eat something, and you think this keeps your energy stable. But your body does not work like that. It needs time to switch between energy sources. Now understand this, your body has two main fuel sources, food energy and stored fat. After you eat, your body uses food for energy. But when you don't eat, your body switches to burning stored fat. This switching is very important for a healthy metabolism. But here's the problem. When you keep eating again and again, your body never gets a chance to switch to fat burning. It stays in food burning mode all the time. And slowly, your body becomes dependent on constant food. Now your body forgets how to burn fat efficiently. So even if you eat enough, you still feel hungry. You crave more food, and fat loss becomes difficult, not because your body is weak, but because it lost flexibility. Have you noticed you feel energy spikes and then crashes? That is because your body depends on constant food. When food is not there, energy drops quickly, and you feel tired. This is not normal. This is imbalance. Now, here is the biggest mistake. People think they need to eat more frequently to stay healthy, but they ignore how their body works. Your body is not designed for constant eating. It is designed for cycles. Eat, rest, burn. So what should you do? Give your body breaks. Do not eat constantly. Allow time between meals so your body can switch to fat burning. Eat balanced meals, not random snacks, and listen to your hunger, not your habits. Understand this, your body is smart, but only if you let it work. If you keep feeding it constantly, it loses its natural rhythm. But if you give it space, it becomes flexible again and starts working properly. So remember, constant snacking is not helping you. It is holding you back. Your body needs balance, not constant input. So give it time to burn, to rest, to recover. And if you want to understand your body in a simple but powerful way, make sure you subscribe and tell me in the comments, do you snack all day or follow proper meals? I read every comment, so comment fast and don't forget to subscribe.